Hi friends, welcome back to Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree have, in most of the stores now guys, they have the $1.25, $3, and $5. So that's what we're going to go over today. And I hope you all enjoy the video. Max Charge Premium Earphones. It says studio quality dynamic bass, built-in mic for calls, and comfortable secure fit. How much are these? $5. A LED light bar with multi-position base, $5. This is an LED shower speaker for $5. Suctions to smooth surface, water resistant, built-in microphone, and FM radio. Well, I like that. They have different colors too. Now this is a Breeze portable mini fan for $5. Lightweight comfort, 3 cooling speeds, handheld capability. Okay, it includes a micro USB charger and stand for desktop. Decor mood lighting, artesian stone base. It says switch activated and battery operated. Nice, $5. Bling steering wheel cover for $5. This is a disco LED speaker, color change light, FX, FM radio, long lasting battery, and Bluetooth. This is a car vacuum cleaner for $5. It says high power for strong suction, 12V DC car adapter. The wireless headphones are $5 with superior premium sound. The gaming headphones are $5. Interactive boom mic, 3.5 mm output, USB connectivity, and multicolor modes. 2-pack closet and drawer automatic light, instant lighting when door or drawer is open. $5 for a 2-pack. It says peel and stick mounting, magnetic on and off, wireless operation, and ultra bright LED. Motion activated solar sensor light, peel and stick, motion activated, wireless operation, durable and weatherproof. Okay. Self-adhesive backing allows for versatile placement, wireless LED lights with remote control. $5 guys. It says the brightness is 68 lumens, which is not bad. And it's white LED, motion sensor, peel and stick. Alrighty, here's another one for closets, kitchen, cabinets, bedrooms, and anywhere. Remote control, wireless, $5. RGB LED light bulb, $5, 6 watts. It says color changing LED lights. So this is a collapsible lantern fan, LED light, 2-in-1 combination. So it says super bright 360 degrees light beam, 100 lumens. These fashion leggings are known as Liquid Shine. Alrighty, so this is the Liquid Shine. They also have the super soft. Let's see. A small up to a 3X. A 3X is a size 22 through 24. 5-pack of washcloths. They're 12 by 12 for $3. They say that they're plush. 1-pack 100% cotton bath towel. It is a 27 by 52 for $3. Bath mat for $5. They have it in white, gray, blue, and black. Bubble bathtub mat in different colors. It's in blue, white, and black. They also have the waffle cushion bathtub mat, and I only see it in white. And they're both $5. This is a 15 by 8 by 27.4. 100% vinyl. Okay. Eco mat for $5. Absorbs moisture, traps debris, dirt and debris, heavyweight rubber base, easy to clean. This is a Hello Core mat. Okay, they even have these. This is a 24 by 36 plush remnant, $5. Striped shag, 18 by 30 in gray and brown, $5. This 15 by 25 doormat says this is our happy place, $5. As well as this one that says hello sunshine. The seat cushions are $5. Printed shower curtains, they are $5. 13-piece fabric shower curtains. Includes 12 metal roller hooks. That's nice. We also have the heavy-duty shower liner, 72 by 70 for $5. This pop-up hamper is $3. These printed plush throws are $5. And that one, green and white. This one. I also have this one. Okay, this one for the kids. And this one. They also have these really nice pillows up here. These character plush pillows. Squish me, okay. With the ears. Okay. This is a pillow here. It is a shag pillow, faux fur. The neck pillows. More neck pillows down here. 6-cube storage rack. Easy to assemble, no tools required. Maximize storage space. Storage bins sold separately. Total weight limit is 40 pounds. $5. That's not bad. Okay, they have these grommet totes for $5. Non-slip hangers. You get 15 for $5. Ooh, over the door 8-hook hanger, $5. So these are good for like belts and scarves, things like that. Even your purses. Lysol fresh clean gel, you get 2 for $5. This is something new. This is Family Guard disinfectant spray for $3. It says use on 100 plus surfaces, including where kids and pets play. And this is in the scent Fresh. This one is in Citrus. Zip foaming shower tub and tile cleaner, $3. The odor band is $3. The Ajax is $5 in Fresh Burst, 134 ounces. Lavender and eucalyptus in the scent of the odor band. Look at all these baskets over here, guys. Wow. They're between $3 and $5 over here. So, this one is $3. $3 for this one. $5 for these. $3 for these. And the tops are right next to it. And $5 for these. This is a storage tote. Okay, they even have the foldable step stool with handle for $5. In black and gray. These are really cute for $5. Oh my goodness. How cute. You have the dress-up sets. This one is mini for $5. Dress-up pizza slice, $5. This 3-piece is $5 as well. Tumbler spinner, battery operated, $5. The pizza pan is $5. Alright guys, over here in the 125 section, they have some cute little grab it before it's gone tabletop decor pieces. So they have this little piece, it opens. They also have this one. It's a little bit smaller. These. Back on the inside. Okay. Cute little apple shape ornament decor. A trinket tray. Candle holders are nice, really nice. They also have this one. Nice. Glass vases, different shapes and different sizes. $3 on this row, this one, and this one. This larger one is $5, as well as the black one and the white ones. Secret cleaner, it is for spot and stain remover. Foam and bathroom cleaner with bleach. And this one says cleaner and bleach removes soap scums, grease, and tough stains. The Comet. The descaling and cleaning solution works with all brand brewers. Extend the life of your brewer. Safely removes scale buildup. Unclogs openings, fast acting, and odorless. Foaming dish spray and ocean breeze scent. And this one has been here for a minute. It is a foaming dish spray as well. Oil refills for warmers in lavender, Hawaiian breeze, cotton linen. So those are the ones that are 3, and then they have this one with 2, as well as the warmer. Yes, for $3.25. This one is wild berry, and they have one that is vanilla papaya. Another new item. This is pure baking soda. Okay. Versatile cleaning power, deodorize and freshes, long-lasting freshness. Okay. Baby chest rub, non-medicated. That's new. The little hooded towels. These are so cute. $125. Oh yeah, and that one. Oh, look at these. This is a security blanket. Okay. That is just so sweet. How sweet is that? This is foot spray here with tea tree oil. I have ultra soft scented facial tissue and menthol. You get 74 to ply. Thighs sheet mask. Check it out. I think they have this in Five Below. These are feminine wipes. You get a total of 40. Fresh scent. And this one is unscented. You also have the tampons in regular and super by that brand. Is Kissable Fresh Start Facial Cleanser with exfoliating beads with ginseng and vitamin C. It is oil-free, removes oil, dirt, and impurities that builds up overnight. Okay. Chin blemish patches. Absorbs oil and residue, helps to clear multiple blemishes at once, targets problem areas. Okay. Mimosa Fizz Brightening Bubble Mask. Cheers to a brilliant complexion with skin illuminating antioxidants. Anti-pollution revitalizing sheet mask. It says shield skin from harsh environmental factors. And they also have the neck and décolleté sheet mask with hyaluronic acid and fruit extracts to help hydrate and smooth neck and chest. You get one mask. That is definitely new. Ooh, another new one, guys. The lip plumping kit helps to create fuller looking lips. Exfoliating scrub, hydrogel lip mask, and lip plumper. Okay. All right, friends, they have the wall tap block here. It says turns 2 grounded outlets into 6. Huh. 125 on these. These cords for 125. And they also have the 3, the one with the 3 in it. So here are the 2 different ones that they have, guys. They both holds a total of 6. Oh my goodness. Car air freshener. It says taxi. Oh my goodness. They also have the lizards. Car air fresheners. How about that? Diamond braid rope. Huh. Okay. Lotus conditioner and shampoo for $3. The dry shampoo is $3. Hair masks here. So this one is the coconut oil, nourishing conditioning treatment, argan oil conditioning treatment, all smooth, anti-freeze hair mask. And this one says curly tight curl enhancer. Okay. This is a 3-in-1 leave-in conditioner. More bags here, little crossbody bags. It's the journey, not the destination. Nice. Okay. Sheet grippers. This is really nice to have. Here you get 4. It's a 4-pack. Yes. Well, all right, friends, that is it here today at the Dollar Tree. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share my content with others. Thank you all so much, and I'll see you in the next one.